Hello students, welcome to AcadShala.
Let's roll on with 3R series, that is recall, revise, retrieve. Today we are going to do part 12 from chapter 4, carbon and its compounds. In the previous video, we have done that is cyclohydrocarbons, what are these? And then I also taught you about that is the cyclopropane, as well as about propene also, that they share the same general formula. And then the next we did it for cyclobutane. And today we will be doing it for cyclopentane.
But before starting today's session, it would be great if you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel AcadShala. This gives us a lot of motivation to keep creating these kind of videos for you all.
Now children, are you seeing that cyclopentane over here? And the cyclic structure of cyclopentane also, are you seeing it over here? Now children, if I see that if I write pentane, now you know how to write pentane. The simple structure of pentane, everybody knows it. And it has 5 carbons. Now I pick up those carbons and put it in the form of ring over here as shown on the screen. So the 5 carbons will be arranged in this manner as shown over here. See, carbon, 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 and then join it with the help of single bonds. And this is known as pentagon shape. Everybody knows about the shape. And then satisfy with the other 2 covalent bonds as it is shown over here. And I've done it. This carbon, 1, 2 and then 2 more. This carbon, 1, 2 and 2 more. This carbon, 1, 2 and 2 more. This carbon, 1, 2 and 2 more. And this carbon, 1, 2 and 2 more. So in this way, I have made the cyclic structure that is of cyclopentane. If I see over here the molecular formula of this, it has come out to be that is 5 carbons. Over here I have written 5 carbons, that is the C5. And how many hydrogens? Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 hydrogens. So now that is C5 and H10. So now to my surprise again I am seeing over here that C5H10 is the molecular formula of what? That is, it is of pentene. So let us check once again. That is the alkene general formula is CnH2n. Put the value of C is equal to 5, that is N value 5, and then I put it over here. I just solve it and I got the molecular formula same as this, that is C5H10. So this also shows that cyclic hydrocarbons and alkenes share the same what? General formula. So this you need to understand about the cyclopentane too. Okay, next, cyclohexane. Again hexane, that means I know the I know the linear structure of hexane, and then I put up those carbons in the form of cyclic structure. When I put up in the form of the cyclic structure, I get these 6 corners over here like this. Yes. And then I have joined it like this. After this, I have also put up that is to satisfy on all its sides. After this, what I see that I have carbon 6, and then when I count the hydrogens, I have hydrogen 12. Yes or no? After this, what happens that if I see that C6H12 is the what? The molecular formula of hexene. Let us check again. CnH2n. Put the value of N is equal to 6 over here. C6H2 into 6. So it has come out to be C6H12. Again, that means the molecular formula of hexene and cyclohexane, they both are same. Again, the same thing I'm repeating, that the cyclic hydrocarbons and alkenes general formula, they share the same general formula, CnH2n. So always remember children, this is very important. But over here, one thing please note, before going further for the next example, that in this ring structure, cyclic structure, there are no single or double bonds inside the ring. Okay, please quote my words, whatever I have said just now. Now, when I go for the next example, I see the same structure as with 6 carbons, but my hydrogens are lesser in this. Why? Because in this cyclic structure, I have single bond, then double bond, then single, then double, then single, then double, then single. Are you seeing it, children, over here? Double, single, double, single, double, single. So if I see that this carbon, if I see how many were having this before, so I will say 1, 2, 3 and one more, it is there. So satisfying the tetravalency. If I see this carbon, how many bonds? 1, 2, 3 and one more. It is there to satisfy the tetravalency of this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this on and on, all the carbons are having, it is satisfied by, that is 4 covalent bonds, but provided y hydrogens are less, but it is not less, but it is satisfying the tetravalency, children, in both the cases. In the previous, what happened? There were no single and the double bonds in between the cyclic structure. But in the case of this example, we are having double and single bonds inside the structure. That is why, to satisfy the tetravalency, when we count it, we have 3 bonds already. And then the 4th one came out and satisfied the tetravalency of carbon. So this is known as benzene. Very, very important. So this is known as benzene. That means alternate, that is single and double bonds are there in benzene. And its formula, that is the molecular formula, is C6H6. How? 6 carbons and 6 hydrogens only. If you count, it will come out to be like this, C6H6. And it is also known as aromatic hydrocarbon. Children, if in the exam, if they say draw the cyclic structure of aromatic hydrocarbons, so you can do it and draw it for benzene because it is an aromatic hydrocarbon. And aromatic, that is the meaning of aromatic is, that is aroma. Aroma means, that means a smell, a special smell. In one of the city also, we have aroma, also one of the restaurant or hotel. You know, we also have. That means why they have kept the name? They have kept the name. Why? So that because of this smell. Yes or no? The fragrance, the smell. So that is why they have kept the name from here only. So because if you know the meaning, so you can put up the names also. Okay, so this is all for today. So please keep on revising these cyclic structures, which are very important for your board point of view. Do not forget to revise and do it with your hands, children. Oral revision will not work out with my videos. Please keep on revising. And children, if you like the video, please do also subscribe the channel, children. Only watching will not make out anything. But to boost somebody, you need to subscribe and also share the video with your friends, nears, dears. And please keep on helping also each other. This helping chain should never ever stop, which I always tell you, children. So with this, I wind up the session. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless.